Yeah, Jen, for sure. Even though the forecast, like Pat just mentioned, is pretty clear for today and this morning, those impacted are still feeling the effects from last week's heavy rains and flooding. That's why the American Red Cross and the Salvation Army are teaming up to help those impacted today. As we all remember, last week, the flooding and heavy rain upended some people's lives, forced evacuations of some homes and damaged infrastructure. Some of those impacted counties included San Jacinto, Polk, and Montgomery counties. To help those most affected by the severe weather, there will be a distribution site available today for those needing food and other emergency supplies. That distribution will happen today from 11 this morning to 5 this evening. It's going to be here at the River Plantation here in Conroe. Now, as of last check, the last remaining shelters that are still available from the American Red Cross include Plum Grove Assembly of God in Splendora and Lone Star Community Center in Montgomery. We're going to have all that information on our website as well, so you can look it up. For now, reporting live in Conroe, Victor Jacobo, KHOU 11 News.
All right, Victor, thank you. Right now,